Hey everyone, it's Mr. Reynolds here. This video will give you a good introduction into our new mathematics unit of money. As you can see, I've put some pictures of the Australian coins and notes on your screen. We use money to buy things like goods and services. For example, we might use it to buy lunch from the tuck shop, or if we're lucky enough, our parents might use money to buy us McDonald's. We can also use money to get our hair cut or even go to the doctor's. There are many different things that we can buy using Australian notes and coins. Notes and coins can be broken down into dollars and cents. It is very important to know that 100 cents equals $1. But we will get into that more in another video. The notes and coins on your screen you might have seen before. Each coin and note is a specific shape, size and colour, and that helps us identify the value. It is really important to know the value of each coin, just so we can work out how much money we need to buy things or how much change we'll receive. Firstly, let's look at the coins on the left-hand side. The first coin is the smallest. It is silver and it has an echidna on it. It also has a tiny number 5 on it. I'm talking about that coin I just circled. The value of this coin is 5 cents, which we can write like that. The next coin is a little bigger and has a picture of a lyrebird on it. It is also silver, but has the number 10 on it. The value of the coin I just circled here is 10 cents, and we represent cents by using a little C. The next coin is bigger again and has a picture of a platypus. It is silver and has the number 20 on it. The coin I just circled there has a value of 20 cents. The next coin is the biggest coin out of all of the coins on your screen. It has the Australian coat of arms on it, which includes a kangaroo and an emu holding a shield. And it has many different edges on it. As you can see, out of all the coins, it's the only coin that has lots and lots of edges. Specifically, it has actually 12 edges, and a 12-edge shape is called a dodecagon. This coin has a number on it, and it is number 50. So I'm circling the coin now on your screen. And it has a value of 50 cents. As you can see, the next two coins are coloured gold. These two coins represent dollar values, which means their value is more than the silver coins, which are cents. The first gold coin has a kangaroo on it and has the number 1. I'm circling that coin now. Its value is $1, and we represent that with a dollar sign, which is like an S with a stroke through it, and the number 1. The last coin is smaller in size and is very similar to the 5 cents piece. However, it is gold and has a famous Indigenous Australian on it. The value of this coin, while still small in size, is worth the most out of all of the Australian coins. I'm circling that coin now, and it has a value of $2. That's all of the coins. Now we're going to move on to the notes. We use 5 different notes in Australia, and they're all coloured differently and gradually get longer and bigger in size. The first note is pink and has a picture of the Queen on it. It has the number 5 on the top right hand corner, and it has a value of $5. I'm circling that note now, and it has a value of $5. Which can be written like that. The next note is blue and has a picture of a man called Banjo Paterson. He was a famous Australian poet and wrote some very famous poems like Waltzing Matilda, which you might have read about in our Bungawitta novel last term. It has the number 10 on it, and it has a value of $10. I've just circled that note there, and it has a value of $10. The next note is a mixture of orange and red colour. It is a picture of a famous Australian businesswoman, Mary Reeby. It has the number 20 on the top right-hand corner and has a value of $20. The second last note is coloured yellow. It has a picture of a famous Indigenous Australian named David Unapun and has the number 50 on the top right-hand corner. It has a value of $50. And the last note we use in Australia is green, and it is the largest out of all of the notes. It has a picture of Neely Melba, who is a famous opera singer in Australia. It has the number 100 at the top of it, and it has a value of $100. There we have it, everyone, all of the Australian notes and coins with their value. It is important to understand the value of each coin and note by looking at it. The clues like the shape, colour, and the number are there to help you. Thanks for listening.